We know you want to make your smart home all yours. With Win Then, you can now easily add and change the automation in your home. Personalize your Control4 smart home to adapt to changing schedules, evolving tastes in music, or even along with the seasons or holidays. It's simple. Think of the Win as a trigger, like a schedule, a touch of a button, or when an event occurs. And the Then as the action or reaction. For example, when it's sunrise, then turn off the outside lights. When the garage door opens, then send me a push notification. When I double tap the keypad in the kitchen, then turn on the cooking channel. Once you have that down, the fun begins. You'll be able to experiment and test your new programming, tweaking it until it's just right. You may even come up with ideas you never thought of before. And once you get a taste of what's possible, you'll be able to unlock more potential by adding more equipment along the way. Keep in mind, if you're not yet a Control4 customer, you'll need a dealer to help you get started with Win Then. If you're already a Control4 homeowner, the programming your dealer added for you will be locked, so you don't make any accidental changes to your existing Control4 system. All you need is an active Foresight subscription and the latest Control4 OS installed in your home. Just give your dealer a call to find out what upgrade specials are available to you. Get started today at customer.control4.com.